Welcome back, friends. Tax collections in India have fallen substantially to 7.3 lakh crores till January 24, 2020. Now, for the last fiscal year, the direct tax collections were in the range of 11.6 lakh crores, and estimates were that the direct tax collections for the financial year ended March 31, 2020 would be in the neighborhood of 13.7 lakh crores. So you see a substantial fall in these direct tax collections. The slowdown in the economy and the cut in the corporate tax rate has contributed to this huge fall in direct tax collections, and now they are even below what was collected last year in the last financial year ended 31st of March 2019. In this grim scenario, people are expecting major cuts in the budget that is about to be unfolded next Saturday. Now, it's a rather grim scenario and very difficult to see many changes happening so quickly, for the simple reason, where will the government get the money from? Where are they going to be able to finance not only the sharp fall in the direct tax collections, but a further fall by a major cut of personal income tax slab rates? Where will the money come from? How will the government be able to finance all this? The only other way that the government can do that is by disinvestment, which it has not been successful to a major extent. And although the stock markets are ruling at an all-time high, the disinvestment targets of the government have also not met expectations. So difficult. Budget could be helpful in many ways. The government will try to tweak in many matters. They may withdraw certain exemptions so that the net result looks like a good one, a cut in the tax slab rates, but eventually the net effect will not be as favorable as people anticipate. Yet the feel good factor could still keep fueling the stock markets for some more time, till about the mid of February. Coming to the World Economic Forum in Davos, many interesting statements have come. George Soros feels that the American economy is overheated and that President Trump should be careful, because when an economy is overheating, you never know when it will reach the revolutionary phase. Swedish economist Greta Thunberg believes that little climate change efforts are being done, and that little effort is being done, and so that when the next generation comes, we will not have an explanation as to why so much of global warming, more than 1.5 degrees rise in temperatures has happened, and why the current the rulers of various countries were unable to fix a solution to the climate change problem today. Manchin, the Treasury Secretary of United States, says that Greta Thunberg has not even undergone an economics course, an undergraduate course, and so she should not be the one to lecture on carbon emissions and climate change. To which Thunberg replies that, hey, you don't need much to understand the imbalance between fossil fuel subsidies and carbon budget, and that's for anyone to understand. You don't need a budget, you don't need to undergo a course in economics to be able to understand that. So big war of words going on, and you have President Trump as usual with his great comments. He compares Elon Musk to Thomas Edison and says that his intellectual property and his knowledge should be maintained. So interesting discussions going on at Davos. You have Sajid Javid, the US finance kingpin. Now he says that UK should be able to cook up a deal with the European Union much before United States comes in the picture with UK, and there is some sort of unhappiness. United States also wants to come into the picture rather quickly and cook up a deal with United Kingdom, but UK seems to be just a week away from official exit from the European Union, and Sajid Javed has some different words of who will do what first, and believes that the UK is closer to fixing a deal with the European Union than before the United States of America. Different intellectual solution. Amazon CEO Jeff Bezos was on an Indian trip and has promised 10,000 electric vehicle auto rickshaws to deliver his goods of Amazon in various parts of India. This is one of his place-setting move that he is trying to use to place-set various small and medium enterprises which are facing a sharp slowdown in its business conditions. In any event, whichever way you look at it, the world is going to go through a roller coaster, and you have a few more weeks before the historic highs that you're seeing in major global indexes start retreating. So please be careful. Middle of February will start showing major falls in most global indices. Until then, you should have cleaned up your books and booked up your profits. Happy investing. Take care. Bye bye.